Tom Cornwell with LMT Onsrud, coming to you from the IWF 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia. We're discussing here today the expansion of our Marathon and Polaris lines. What we have done is taken these two very competitive lines and expanded them into different sizes and cut lengths so that we can meet the majority of the applications that we need. I think you're all familiar with both of these tools. The Marathon specifically is used for the melamine and the coated type particle board and MDF applications. The Polaris tool, which we won the Challengers Award 2 years ago at the IWF, is used in the applications considering high pressure laminate. What you say is unique about these tools is that they have been perfected for the industry for these two types of different materials. The material is being very, very abrasive, and over the years we've had coatings that have been developed for the metalworking industry. We've never had anything for wood. And you say, well, why do we want a coating? Well, carbide's a cemented tool mixture, and cobalt is the binder that's meant to hold it together. If we can protect that, then we can make the tools last longer in the different applications. So what we do is we apply this coating on there, which has three main functions. It protects the cobalt binder, it adds lubricity to the surface so the chips will slide away, and it increases the surface hardness, all three of which make the tools last longer by taking the heat away with the chip and making it more cost effective. So when we started the lines, they were very limited because we wanted to be perfection in what we were doing for the different applications. Several sizes of 3/8, a couple of sizes of half-inch diameter, and since they have been proven in the industry over the last 2 years, we've expanded the line to meet more applications as far as part thickness and part diameter.